So I've been seeing Dr. Saylor for about 10 months, and prior to that I was seeing a traditional chiropractor for about 6 years. And I was experiencing a lot more pain, and I felt as if I had to go there every week in order to kind of feel normal. And my adjustments were not holding. And I found out about Dr. Saylor and KST through my mom and dad, and they've had a lot of great results with her, and I have nothing but great things to say. Within 2 weeks, I noticed a significant difference, and something that I hadn't experienced with the traditional chiropractor at all. The fact that this is so gentle and you never have pain during an adjustment was new and was really great. I'm sleeping better, I'm feeling better, I'm more active than I have been in the last couple of years, and bringing in the emotional aspects of the healing process has really enhanced this as well, and I will never go back to a traditional chiropractor.